Hey YouTube! This video was fully filmed on the Pocophone F1. We're shooting this video in full 4K and it's so far managed to grab every single detail clearly, and it's honestly not a bad camera. So, first Christmas together, now we're pretty much opening our presents and we're gonna check out each one of them in detail. Vault-Tec collection box, Rick and Morty collection box. Let's see what they contain. Starting with the Rick and Morty box. Nice, a lot of items to go through. Built by CultureFly. Oh, look, 50% off. Nice. Next order. That's nice. Let's see. Starting from the left, we have Cool Rick. Morty, I think my sunglasses look cool, Morty.
Dude, that's one of the ones that come in random, so you got like a really
Damn,
good one.
this is an awesome freaking Rick.
Yeah, you could have gotten a Morty, dude.
I know. Well, Mortys are kind of cool. They're people too. All right, so Rick himself, Cool Rick, coming out of his box. Nice. Look, he looks like the Fonz. Ah. And then his little stand. Hey, yeah, that looks awesome. Actually, it fits really nicely. All right, so we got a Mr. Meeseeks box. Ah, Mr. Meeseeks, look at me. This is getting weird. Oh, yeah, it's definitely a puzzle. I mean, am I gonna open this? I guess so. Let's look inside the Meeseeks box.
It's your mouth.
What am I, a savage? Oh my god, nylon, my one weakness.
Oh, man.
Bam! Like this is supposed to be, this is pretty much the stock picture right there.
That's a Jerry.
Jerry. Macy's box, random Rick. Oh, this one. All right, so this is a Morty planter. Obviously, it's a planter, but it's a Morty head. Oh, look at his dead expression. There's nothing going on in there. It's empty for now. You have to grow it. You have to grow his brain in. Yeah, it's actually pretty cool. It smells like Chinese labor. Oh, Rick and Morty socks. One size fits most. I like the detail. I mean, like they even got, I don't know if you can see it, but they even got like Rick's barf or smart juice in detail. All right, and then the last thing, but not least, we got these things that you can eat. No, I'm just kidding. You can't eat those. The actual portal gun. A pin you can actually put on your book bag, anything you want. You can staple it to yourself to forever be immortalized in the world of Rick and Morty. We got the Fallout loot box, whatever you name it. And here, pretty nice winter scarf. I know for a fact I'm gonna be using this. Look at that, Vault-Tec.
I like that, that's dope.
Yeah, this is pretty nice. It's the first thing.
I think this one also has like
Oh, this is a grower.
Right?
There's another grower. Yeah, this has underneath this card. It's gonna be a bald boy. Oh, this one actually looks. No, it's still plastic, but it actually looks. It feels like porcelain, but it's plastic. Another brain to grow. They're all by CultureFly. So, oh look, another 50% off.
Sponsor us.
Oh, all right. So we got the actual gun pin.
Plasma.
That's plasma. The plasma gun. Yeah, it looks really nice. Actually, I like the detail in it. And this is the random. Actually,
Oh, that's from a perk.
Yeah, but is it random?
Yeah, that one is random. Yeah.
So I guess, all right, so this is the one random figurine you get in your box. Endurance perk. It glows in the dark.
I think that's the adamantium.
It's pretty cool.
We'll put a cutout later.
Yeah. And then it's an actual, it seems to be a notebook. It's like a regular notebook. Oh, look. It was made in China.
Wow. I don't think that was a secret for anybody.
Yeah, but if you think about it, this is against everything they believed in.
And the lore, yeah.
The Fister. Yeah, it's a pretty nice notebook. It feels like paper. Look at that wink. And that's it, guys. If you don't take into account the little silicone bead cups. Doesn't smell like anything. Never smells like anything. If you feel like this is something you want to buy, I would highly recommend it. It's actually full of collector's items, goodies from every single game and show that you might be interested in. So like, favorite, and subscribe. Let us know if you have any recommendations, any things that you want us to open, review, and we'll be here. Thanks for watching.